What is a slight increase in symptoms on the 10-point scale? Typically, what we say to patients when doing vestibular or visual rehab is if your symptoms spike to a 5 out of 10 or greater, then maybe take a break, wait till it comes down again, then go back and do it again. The other way to look at this is a 3 or more point increase from what your starting point is. So if you're doing, let's say, vision rehab and you have dizziness of 3 out of 10 kind of at your base, and you start doing, some gaze stabilization exercises, you're going to do that until your symptoms get to like a 6 out of 10 on dizziness, and then you're going to stop. You're going to wait till the symptoms come down again. Okay, now I'm back down to kind of, my baseline. Okay, go again, doing my gaze stabilizations, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Okay, oh, I'm up to a 6 out of 10 again. I'm going to wait till it comes down to a 3 out of 10. So either way you want to look at it, if you want to go, I'm going to a score of 5 out of 10, take a break, or a 3 or more point increase on your 10-point scale, take a break. This doesn't mean to abandon. This means just to take a break and let it come down, because it's all temporary. None of this stuff is going to create any type of long-lasting impairment. I think that's what people need to get your head around the fact that this isn't bad for you. This is actually good for you.